Who would like a cupcake?
Me! Me!
shouted Ben. Miss Joyce smiled.
I have 6 cupcakes, but 3 children,
She said. She called Ada, Kaima, and Ben to come forward.
How can we share them?
She asked. The children watched closely. Miss Joyce gave 1 cupcake to each child, then another, until all the cupcakes were gone. They counted together. 1, 2. Each child had 2 cupcakes. Miss Joyce nodded.
We shared 6 cupcakes among 3 children. So, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. This is division, and it means sharing equally. Let us try again.
This time she brought 8 apples. She shared them between 4 children. Each child got 2 apples.
Well done, everyone. Remember, that division means sharing equally. Everyone gets the same amount. No one gets more, and no one gets less.
The children looked at their cupcakes and nodded. Now they understood. They smiled proudly. They had learned something new.
Division means share, share, share. Share, share, share. Division means share, share, share. Share equally. 6 cupcakes, share them all. Share them all, share them all. 6 cupcakes, share them all. 2 for each friend. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 is 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Everybody smiles. 8 apples, share them all. Share them all, share them all. 8 apples, share them all. 2 for each friend.
Here are 2 for you.
Thank you, Miss Joyce.
Here you go.
Eight divided by 4 is 2. 4 is 2. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Everybody cheers. Division means share, share, share. Share, share, share. Division means share, share, share. Share equally.
Great job, everyone! Remember, division means sharing equally. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye!
Come along, it's time to play.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come along, it's time to play. Learning with Ada starts today. We'll read, we'll count, explore the earth. Discover the wonders, know your worth. Learning with Ada, so much to see. Books and numbers, adventures for you and me. Questions and answers, we'll understand. The world is ours, let's take a stand. Shapes and letters, stars in the sky. We'll dive into oceans, reach mountains high. From reading to math and science too. Ada's adventures are waiting for you. Learning with Ada, so much to see. Books and numbers, adventures for you and me. Questions and answers, we'll understand. The world is ours, let's take a stand. So grab your friends, the fun's begun. Learning with Ada is for everyone. With Ben, Kaima, and Kenny, we'll lead the way. Together we'll learn every single day.